Inventions have always been the driving force behind human progress, shaping the way we interact with the world and making our lives more convenient and efficient. In today's video, we're delving into the realm of innovation to showcase a collection of cool inventions you should see. So, stay tuned because these incredible inventions make your life a whole lot easier. Finger guard. Using a finger guard not only prevents your fingers from getting cut by the onion, but also spares you from the unpleasant odor. Just refrain from using it to wipe away the tears caused by the onion. Suitcase scooter. When you find yourself at the airport with an hour and a half to spare and nothing to occupy your time, or when you need to quicken your pace as the flight is about to depart, simply hop onto your suitcases. A bottled water can for your plants. With this gadget, you can easily transform each discarded PET bottle into a companion for your plants. Rewind. Your earphone entanglement issues will disappear effortlessly thanks to this clever invention. Plus, it's available in a range of colors to match your preferences. Before we continue our journey, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future adventures. Bottle opener remote. It is designed for those times when you want to enjoy an intense match without interruption yet also craves a taste of the ice-cold beer you just retrieved from the freezer. Safe wallet. With a mere 1-second delay, this wallet equipped with Bluetooth technology will notify you if you leave it behind or if someone attempts to snatch it. Self-heating butter knife. You no longer need to wait for your butter to melt or risk damaging a knife by heating it on the gas stove. To-do list tattoo. This will ensure you remember your daily tasks, a bit like in the style of Gajini, but don't worry, it's washable. A water bottle with compartments. You no longer need to bring a bag when you go for a run. This water bottle comes with a built-in compartment for your key and money. Just make sure not to leave your bottle behind. Transparent highlighter. This highlighter enables you to clearly see what you're highlighting, eliminating any unintentional extra points to read. Passcode USB. This fantastic innovation will protect you from pen drive thefts. Multipurpose chair. A chair that transforms into a ladder, solving my height issues. Now, I can easily access everything in my kitchen. Plates with glass holder. This is useful during social gatherings, especially those crowded events where finding a seat always seems to be a daunting task. Portable razor. I've witnessed numerous men with stubble regretting not shaving the night before due to excessive drinking. This product aims to address that issue and provide a solution. Before we sign off, we want to hear from you. Which of these inventions fascinated you the most? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating content like this. Thank you for joining us today, and remember, the future is full of endless possibilities. Until next time, keep dreaming big.